I've got a lot of requests on my channel to do this video. This is how to set the governor on a Honda GC160 or a 190 engine. So here we go. Hey guys, welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon again. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, setting the governor on a Honda GC160 or a GC190 engine. This is super easy to do, you guys. I highly doubt you're even going to get through maybe a half a can of PBR. You're going to need that. You're also going to need a 10mm wrench or socket and a pair of pliers. And that's it. First thing that you're going to need to do is take this fuel tank off the side. It's one nut right here on the bottom. Take that off. And then on the top, clearly there's two bolts right here on the top. So get those out of there too with your socket or wrench, whatever you got. Once you got those three fasteners out right there, you can pull that fuel tank off. Now, you actually don't need to take the fuel line off. Right where your fuel line connects to your fuel pump, you don't actually need to take that off. If you take it off, then you need to clamp it with something so all your fuel doesn't spill out of there. You can just get that over to one side like that so it's kind of out of your way. Now we can see the governor arm and the pin that goes into the governor inside your engine right there. This is what you do. 10mm wrench or socket, loosen that little nut right there on the side so it's loose. Now, if you grab that with a pair of pliers, the pin right here, it's kind of a flat side on here. If you grab that with a pair of pliers, you can turn that little pin inside the arm. It moves back and forth only about, I don't even know if that's an eighth of a turn. It doesn't move very far at all, but it makes all the difference in the world. If you set your governor backwards, it's going to scream. I've never actually put a tack on it. I've never let it run that long to see what the RPMs come up to, but it will scream. It revs so high, and if you run your engine like that and actually use your engine like that, you can blow your engine right apart by doing that. So this is quite critical. Even though that pin only turns like an eighth of an inch, it makes all the difference in the world. So here's what you do. What you want to do is turn your throttle all the way up. So it's holding this governor arm right here all the way to full throttle. That is on this model is to the right. Make sure that that arm is all the way to the right hand side like that. And now grab your pliers and turn that pin all the way clockwise till it stops. Let it go. 10mm wrench, tighten that nut up again. Just tighten it up nice and snug. It doesn't have to be super tight because that pin won't slide in there even if it's just nice and snug. That's all there is to that. That's how you set the governor on one of these things. Put your fuel tank back on and Bob's your uncle, Fred's your aunt. That was easy. I told you it wouldn't take a half a can. Now you can go back and finish it. Give me that thumbs up button, guys, if you like that. I hope I helped you. I hope I taught you something. Maybe saved you some money. Share it with your friends. Subscribe if you already haven't. And that's it for today. Steve out.